Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a local repository and preparing your first commits. Run Git init to make the repo. This sets up the Git metadata so Git can track history. Next, choose Files and run git add file or git add. To stage everything, staging is how you tell Git what to record. Once staged, use git commit m, short message. The commit saves a snapshot. Make concise messages so you can understand history later. You now separate work with branches so changes stay contained. Create a branch with git checkout bfeature/name. This gives you an isolated workspace. Make commits on that branch, then bring it up to date. Either merge main with git merge main or rebase onto main with git rebase main. Rebasing keeps linear history, merging preserves merge commits. Once ready, push to the remote with git push origin branch so others can fetch and review your work. You finish by integrating your feature and handling errors safely. Open a pull request or run git checkout main and git merge feature/name to combine work. If something went wrong, you can recover. Git reset soft moves head but keeps changes staged. Git reset hard discards local changes. And git revert creates a new commit that undoes a specific commit. Use revert for published history. Once done, make sure to git pull rebase before pushing to avoid needless merge commits and conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.